Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can enable voice navigation in Google Maps application. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also write your comments. And let's go ahead and get down to this topic, friends. And to begin with, I want to say what is voice navigation in general? What can be so useful to us? This option allows you to keep your eyes on the road when you might be driving somewhere, especially in unknown terrain, and voice navigation will tell you where to turn, where to stop, and so on. So this navigation will help you find the location you need. To connect, please open Google Maps. Now on the top right side, click on your Google image. Then select Settings. After that, please click on Navigation. Now you will need to connect voice navigation or audio. After that, friends, make sure you turn on the option to play voice over Bluetooth at the bottom. I also recommend you to select the option to play through Bluetooth during phone call. That way, in any case, even if you get a call, you will probably hear commands to keep you on track. That's how quick and easy it is. You'll be able to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. I really hope this video has been helpful to you. Please don't forget, friends, to subscribe to the channel and also put your likes. See you soon.